This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Stunning Colonial Revival home in the heart of historic Ghent. 6 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms and around 6,000 square feet of luxurious living space. Completely and masterfully restored and renovated with no detail overlooked. Grand rooms, opulent period millwork and plaster details, an upscale cook's kitchen with exposed brick, a newly renovated primary bathroom and recently updated mechanical systems are just a few of the highlights of this inviting historic home. Off-street parking and no flood insurance is required. Very easy to show by appointment with the listing agent present for all showings. For more information, review the details below.